I am a trainee zookeeper at Dudley Zoo. I work with the primates. First I went straight from school to Rodbaston College, studied animal management level 3 for 2 years. Then I had a year break, and then I went to Nottingham Trent University to study zoo biology. Whilst I was working there, I had an internship at Drayton Manor Zoo, did that for free for a year. Then in my final year of uni, I got accepted as a cover keeper, which allowed me to build the experience to finally apply for a full-time role by the time I'd graduated. 2 months after graduation, I got a full-time role. So yeah, that's what I do now. I look after the little monkeys. Sorry, little monkeys, so they're so huge. In terms of subjects, I always really enjoyed English. I don't know, I think it's probably because Mrs. Hughes was my teacher and I just absolutely love her. I really enjoyed that, and I really enjoyed science as well, just because science was a big part of the degree that I was going on to study. The degree is quite sciencey, although it's about animals. Miss Hughes helped me believe in myself because I didn't have many adults that put it, ingrained it into me that I could do it. So having Miss Hughes and a couple of the teachers that have left now, so like Mr. Pugh, he was a massive man. He was like my dad away from home. So I'd say those are the main 2 people that really helped me realise my potential and just push through everything. During school, I've always known I wanted to work with animals, and I did sway towards veterinary when I was in school. And then when I left school and went to college, it was where I kind of realised I am a bit of a wimp when animals to put to sleep and stuff. I just cry a lot over that. And it was when I went to college that I realised it was exotics that I wanted to do. So once I decided exotics, it just kind of went from there. I was like, yeah, okay, the zookeeper, that's where I want to be. Just googled what I needed to do to become a zookeeper. I remember sitting in the living room, what to do to become a zookeeper, and then saw the advert on TV for Chester Zoo, went on to Indeed, saw what qualifications you needed for their jobs. And then I saw it was a zoo biology degree that you needed, so I literally just was like, right, nearest degree by me, and it was Nottingham, so I just applied for it, got an unconditional offer, and offer went. Spent 4 years in Nottingham. Love Nottingham, I think it's a great city, it's bloody amazing, and I've never really looked back. I think the motivation from school to just keep going, and no matter what, even though it was a difficult kind of time for me, I proved I could still push through it. So if I could get through that, I could get through anything. And for current students, I would just say is always believe in yourself. If it's something you want to do, you can absolutely do it, no matter who says what or whatever hurdles look like they're in the way. There's always a way around it. You just need to have patience, and just believe in yourself that you can do it, but also remind yourself that you are still younger. It doesn't have to be done right here, right now. So I didn't go to uni straight after college like most of my peers did. I waited a couple of years because I knew I wanted to go, but I didn't know what I wanted to do, and I didn't know which direction to take it in. So I kind of had 2 years to kind of find my interests, and that really helped. But the biggest thing is just believing in yourself, no matter where you're from, what your kind of background is being grown up. You can do whatever you want to do. I literally live 5 minutes down the road in Bilston, and I've done not so bad. So if I can do it, then I think anyone can do it.